In this video, we will cover PDF redaction through Find Redact list search. CaseGuard Studio allows users to build a list of information they would like redacted from their document files. In some cases, you might not need to redact all names, but instead, you have a list of names that you need redacted. Or you want to redact something that follows a pattern like phone numbers, emails, or social security number. You can use the Find Redact list to build your list once and use on as many files as you would like. Let's go ahead and pin the Analytics panel. From the bottom of the panel, go ahead and select the Find Redact list icon and click Add New. Here we can name our list, and we have the option to add entries manually one by one or import using a TXT or CSV file. I will show the import feature in the next video. Now we have the option to enter exact words such as names and make them case sensitive or whole words only, and we can also add color to them and redaction reasons as well. We also have the option to add our own redaction reason by clicking the plus sign and add new. We can also select patterns from the drop-down menus such as email address, phone numbers, URL address, credit card information, as well as many more. And we also have the option to add our own pattern by clicking the plus sign and add new. Let's go ahead and select a few. Let's go ahead and click Analyze for the system to process. And with just a click of a button, I can redact all the PII. We can also do this in bulk processing with hundreds and thousands of files and run the redaction list on them at once. Click on the bulk processing icon up here and select Redact Document from the Operation menu and add your files. Here I am only adding 4 files, but there is no limit. You can add hundreds or thousands of files. Let's select our settings and perform Find and Redact, and choose the list we just created and apply. Now we can start the bulk process. The system went through all the files I added and redacted all the items under the list we just created. Looks great.